Today's mission is now loaded. Your immediate focus is requested. Contaminants can invade gearboxes, threaten operations, and drain operating budgets. Your mission: stop the damage before it can get started.
There are a number of preventive measures you can take to protect gearboxes.
Step 1 is to use an oil that meets OEM cleanliness standards.
These standards can be achieved using our ISO-Clean certified lubricants and monitored through our LubeWatch oil analysis, which can detect if new particle contamination has breached your system.
Other monitoring measures include bore scoping, which uses fiber optics to inspect internal components.
Thermography scans can reveal hotspots that are warning signs for failures.
And vibration analysis can measure shaft oscillation to diagnose bearing problems. Installing desiccant breathers on your gearboxes also helps, as it keeps particles and water out of your system and helps extend oil life.
We can help you source all of these services.
Impurities are further controlled through meticulous lubricant storage and handling practices. HQ is standing by to advise you and answer your questions. Prevention drives performance. Utilize your team to succeed.